In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text over image in Squarespace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, you'll need to head over to Squarespace's homepage. This is where all the magic begins. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to create one first, but if you're already a member, you can simply go ahead and log in. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Squarespace dashboard. This is essentially your control center where you can manage everything related to your site. The next step is to navigate to your website by clicking on the website option. This option will take you to a view where you can see all your website's pages and content. Here you have straightforward access to everything you've built so far. Now, it's time to hone in on the specific page where you want to add text over an image. Click on Edit on the page of your choice. This action will allow you to make changes and updates to your website as needed. Once you're in the edit mode, you should see your page layout. Now look for the text area where you'd like to place your image. If you don't have a text area, no worries, you can easily add one. With your text area selected, your next move is to add a new block to your layout. For those unfamiliar, a block in Squarespace is a foundational element used to create content such as text, images, or galleries. So go ahead and click on Add Blocks. A menu will pop up with a list of block types you can add. From this menu, search for and select the image block. This is crucial as we're going to overlay the text onto it. Now it's time to add your image. You'll be prompted to select a file. Just choose the image from your library that you'd like to use. Once you've made your selection, it's uploaded into your page layout. Next comes a vital step. Select the image you've added and then click on Move Backward. This will position your image behind the text box, allowing the text to sit nicely on top of the image. And just like that, you're set. Ensuring your image is properly positioned behind your text will help your website maintain a professional and polished look. Always take a moment to preview how your page appears to your visitors. In some cases, you might need to adjust text colors or image opacity for better contrast, enhancing readability and aesthetics. That's it, folks. You've just learned how to add text over an image in Squarespace quickly and effectively. Happy designing, and remember to keep experimenting with different layouts to find what's best for your vision.